Have you ever tried to schedule appointments only to see a message under the appointment type telling you that the agent doesn't schedule appointments online? This usually happens when an agent or brokerage does not use ShowingTime and can definitely be frustrating. Let's walk you through a specific scenario. As a showing agent, I've added 3 listings to a showing cart. One of those listings displays, "This listing is not accepting online appointment requests. See Listings MLS for scheduling instructions." So what do I do now? Let me show you. First, in cases such as these, the listing agent will provide the showing contact type, contact name, and contact phone in the listing. The first step is to call the showing contact on the listing and request an appointment. In this case, it looks like the listing agent is managing appointment requests by phone. When I call the agent, I could face one of the possible outcomes. First, if my request is immediately approved, I simply change the appointment type to confirmed. Second, could be that my request requires further approval that cannot be given immediately, and I must wait for a callback. At this point, I'm going to change the appointment status to requested. If the agent calls me back to propose a different time, I simply update the appointment time and then indicate confirmed. Finally, sometimes requests are not approved or there is a change in your schedule. In this case, we can mark it as canceled or even remove it from the tour altogether. And there you have it. Now you'll be able to include all your listings in the ShowingTime Buyers Tour, and your contact's showing history will accurately depict what homes you've toured and when.